You have a particular story, but you only want to send it to your close friends. So how do you do it? In this video, I'm going to show you how you can share your Instagram story only to your close friends. Before I begin, if you're new to this channel, do subscribe to this channel so that you can get more social media tips like this. Without further ado, let's jump straight into my phone. Let's go. Right, first of all, open up your Instagram app. So you need to create a story first. Then only you can choose whether to send it to your close friends or not. So let's just create a story. You can see the plus icon top left beside my photo, right? There's a plus there, written there your story. Or you can click on plus here if you want to. You can click on plus sign here. So click on story. Now you can pick any story. For example, I just picked the food that I eaten. Okay, here's an example, alright? Your stories can now reach more people. You can just read this up if you want to. And you can see the option here, bottom below, which is close friends. Just click on it. And then when you send out, you can see that there's a green circle around your picture. So this means that you only share your reels to close friends. When you click on it, and then you can see that it is only to close friends. And then you can see there's a green star at the top right. Right? You can click on that actually. And then you can add more close friends if you want to, alright? Just an example, if you want to add more people to see as your close friends. So just close it. Yeah. So this is how you can share a story with your close friends. Actually, not only share, I've teach you to even add a few other people inside to this specific story. So yeah, that is how easily you can share a story with your close friends. If you like what I share, do give me a like and also subscribe to this channel if you have not done so. Thank you so much for watching and I see you next time. Goodbye.